Okay, let's talk about a few stocks here going into the close. We've got about 40 minutes left on today, Monday. Let's talk about a few of these stocks here. Let's start with RMBS. Start with RMBS because this is something I own. Doing quite well on it so far, but bought it back into here. RMBS is coming up close to retest or challenge these tops up here. I see this as closing it tomorrow, taking profits. If it can break through and set up another buy pattern, then I'll certainly look to get into that. SCHW is looking pretty good here, looking really good. We bought more today. Whole new position, and that position is doing very well so far. And what other one? I think maybe that was it. All right, let's take a look at some of these. BIGC here, constructing a little bit of a bottom. Here. Here we're moving down. We make this kind of a low right there. Let me make that smaller. There we go. We pop up. Well, you know what? That's probably not the best W pattern I've ever seen in my life. So let's skip that because that just doesn't look right. Let's do this. Constructed bottom. Here's a morning star signal, and we've broken out over the trend indicator. Next stop is up there somewhere near the 50-period moving average, or at least that's what I'm looking for. After that, then we can get into that rounded bottom breakout, and maybe it goes up higher. It's one I'm going to be watching on the watch list. CCL. This whole chart pattern where we're up and we pull back and we get a buy signal, that to me is just great. Put a trend line on there. Just a great looking chart. Some traders are going to, rather buy it on the breakout here. I get that. When it really comes down to it, what we're trying to do is buy somewhere in that area. And everybody in the sun is looking for it to go up there to 12.50 or heck, even up here to 21 bucks. DOCU coming off the bottom. Yeah, coming off the bottom here, we've got a nice move up. Attempted and failed. Back down. This time it got it a little bit. Failed the trend indicator down, and then today really popped up. Another one of those morning star signals here. Above the trend indicator. I like that. Maybe we jump up toward that 200-period moving average, or at least the 50 simple up there. It's looking pretty good. JW, you closed RMBS today. Congratulations. You made some money on it. Good job. Let's look at a couple more here, maybe. Crowd. Let's get rid of that little box. Crowd. We're right here at the 200-period moving average, right where these tops are. That red line's a 200. We've got us a little J-hook continuation pattern setting up. A breakthrough here. That to me, it just looks like it sets us up to move a little higher. Here's the weekly. Let's do it that way. There's the 50-period moving average on the weekly. There's the 200 on the weekly. That's maybe what I'll look for. And it matches pretty good up over here on the left. So crowd, nice swing up into those 144, 150 area there. GE, probably can't go by without talking about that. We peeked at it this morning, but I just didn't have... Just didn't think it would, but boy, it sure did. So GE now, if we can break out of all this noise through here, all this this choppiness, that could set GE up for that next leg up there. That next leg, man, that could easily be 120, 125 bucks up there. Sean, I haven't. You're saying what? Oh, yeah, T21.23 went bullish. I'll be darned. Let's do this. I want to get a better look at it. Put that over there. Change that to hourly. Look at that. Thanks for the heads up. Appreciate it. Could be worthwhile. Snow. I talked about snow here the other day on the gap, and here we've pulled back here doing that little J-hook continuation pattern. Probably the big thing on snow is it needs a breakout over this area here. That's probably the big thing on snow. AMD is looking sharp. AMD ran right up, pulled right back down. That's actually a very clean, very nice, very organized chart. Visa still has some good potential, I think, to move up higher. Take a look at this CDW. I love this kind of chart, which you guys all know. You know, the rounded bottom breakout is all about a space between moving average to moving average. Well, when you think about it, you know, we're always looking for charts. Let's see here. There we go. You know, looking for charts like the rounded bottom breakout, for instance, is charts in a downtrend and moving up, getting into that rounded bottom breakout there. Well, underneath the rounded bottom breakout is a 1750 setup, just like this is. So why not take advantage of that little space in there as well as that little space? And for those that, you know, trade the pinball setup, you're down here, you know, fussing with the pinball setup. I didn't mean for that to sound like that was second fiddle or anything. That's just a little more down here toward the bottom, just above the T-line. But those are working out great. Man, these two chart patterns right here are setting up nice, looking good. So CDW is at 1750 setup, and what we're looking for there is right through there. And then reevaluate, that may be another trade on up. MU breaking out to all-time new highs. Wow, look at that. Well, not all-time new highs, but breaking out to new highs. That would be sweet. I better put that on the old watch list. Earnings not to the end of next month, so we have plenty of time there. What else do we have? What's CRBG look like? I might be trying to come up. ZUO. There's another one, ZUO. I love this chart pattern. Earnings on the 24th. You know, I think I'll pass on that. There are so many charts now that we don't have to even fret about earnings. You don't need to have it up there. So I think I'll just pass on that. Love the chart, though. What else? Let's get W. Never mind. Too high up. Trex. Look at Trex. Nice, beautiful trend. Pull back here, right to the turnicator. Maybe we're trying to set up that buy spot right in there. Maybe we're getting close to that. Thanks, Twinkie. CVNA is another one. Let's just get rid of that there. That's setting up beautiful. So we had that gap up. If you didn't chase the gap, if you didn't do anything with that, here's your pullback. Here's your setup for your next swing buy signal. I love that one. Thank you, Twinkie. Appreciate it. All righty. Okay, we'll call that it. Hey, I want to thank you very much if you watch this video. I'm going to put a link down below, and if you are interested in our day trading service, we have an open house coming Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week. So please register for it if you'd like. Drop in anytime on any one of those 3 days, or come on in the morning and stay there to the end, okay? Thanks a bunch again for watching the video. Bye now.